How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To double down. Mike and Sarah are at the library. They're preparing for their final exams. I'm so nervous. We're approaching the end of the school year. How do you feel, Mike? I'm excited. I just don't know if I'm prepared. I hate tests. I don't perform well under pressure. These exams are going to be challenging, maybe the most challenging so far. I know what you mean, but remember, we haven't come this far just to fail. You're right. We just need to double down on our studying. More practice exams, more flashcards, and more late nights. I agree, Sarah. Let's make these exams our best yet. Quiz time. What does to double down mean? To decrease your effort? To stop doing something? To increase your effort? To postpone something? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. To increase your effort. Phrasal verb secrets. Double down means to increase one's commitment or investment in a particular strategy, action, or task. It implies a sense of determination to improve or succeed in a particular area. Double can also combine with other words to form different meanings, like double back, to return the way one came, or double check, to check something again for accuracy. Phrasal verb extras. The phrasal verb comes from gambling at the casino, where doubling down means to double your bet, showing confidence in the cards you have. Because this phrasal verb is related to money, we use the preposition on when talking about things. This is very similar to spend money on something or waste money on something. Don't waste money on things you don't need. He spends a lot of money on video games. I'm going to double down on my bet. Examples. I decided to double down on my studies to improve my grades. The company doubled down on its marketing efforts after the successful product launch. She doubled down on her training routine to prepare for the marathon. Have you dedicated yourself to something recently and doubled down on it? Let us know in the comments or in the Discord server. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Approaching. Getting close to. Under pressure. With stress. Challenging. Very difficult. A bet in a casino. The money you sacrifice to win. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.